Okay guys, today we're going to be fishing on Lake Pagosa for some bass and trout, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well.
Is that dead or still alive?
Wait. It's a dead bird.
It was an albino rat.
Albino rat?
Oh my, it's a dead carp.
Is it? Oh, that is.
That's huge.
No, it's a carp.
It's a carp. Wait, no, it's not dead.
Oh, it's just chilling.
Bro, it's just chilling up here.
Like, on its side sleeping, bro.
Yeah, bro was getting this. There's more than napping.
Isn't that what sleep's for?
No.
Morning nap.
That's funny. That carp is probably just like.
Oh my.
I hate you, George.
Why are these perch here?
Yeah, perch are like a problem. It's like they're fun to catch, but they're not.
Oh.
Like if you were fishing for perch.
Dots.
Bro, did you stop moving so much, baby? Yeah, facts. Fucks. I'm sure that's. Shut up, Jim. No, I'm just saying, like, we might get more trout coming closer, and if we fish silent, I'm not sure if we do.
Thank goodness.
How do we find this state record first? Is that the lake record first?
What?
We should try to break at least one record of this lake. Where do you find the records?
There's a book in that, and the loud, like, winter house. Oh,
Baby, start recording.
it is.
Oh, that's a giant bass. That's huge bass.
Don't know it. Let's get it this time.
Tim's redeeming himself.
Let's get it this time.
Yay! Hey, that's massive.
Oh.
3.5, 4-pounder. Look at that, guys. That's a very nice bass. And we caught a perch as well.
Is the perch just laying
The
there?
perch is just laying there.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. We're gonna see if we can't get this guy unhooked. JB, do you have a phone? Okay, you want a picture? Because I feel like you can picture worthy fish. Ooh, why is this snap? Okay. Wait. Lip him. Give him a hard lip, baby. Lip him.
Ow.
What are you doing? Bro, that thing's head lip him hard. Okay, now support him with your other.
Ow!
Do you need me to hold it for you?
No, got it.
Just like really grab it. Support it. And
You can do 0.5.
yeah. And then just try to lip it. Yeah, that's a big. Here.
She keeps cutting me. Okay, we can just. Ow, frick.
Here, take a photo with me so we can see how big it is.
Okay.
Even though it's not my fish. Okay, let's go ahead and release this guy. Beautiful bass. There he goes. So here's what we should do. We get a record for every species we catch. We just try to break our previous record. Are you serious?
How heavy do you think that thing was?
Like 4, but yeah. 3.5, 4. That's a
Very chunky boy.
Yeah.
Bro, he spined me right in the side of the thumb. And it hurt.
Got to catch him. Oh, that's a bass.
Okay.
JB's the bass master.
Donut. Is that a smallmouth?
No.
It has a small mouth though, guys.
Because it's young. Yeah. You can just see it in its eyes.
Good thing we're recording.
You can see it in its eyes.
Yeah, its eye is like small.
I don't know how to tell the difference between largemouth and smallmouth.
Smallmouth are like brown.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, they're darker.
You should go try to catch a smallmouth.
Not right now. I don't have enough battery
On the what?
My
John
express
Boat.
opinion. Here, you get to bring it.
Wait, James, you don't have enough battery on what? Your GoPro?
No, I don't feel like we have enough battery in the John boat to go all the way there. I've got 'em.
No, I was using the wrong hand.
Wait, James, did y'all?
Okay, guys. Nice bass by JB. It's ironic, guys.
I caught like a 4-pound bass.
Yeah, JB got like a
Another bass.
A crankbait.
He's fishing with that crankbait you were fishing with yesterday. He's caught 3 bass and 1 4-pounder.
Yeah, that's like a 1.5. That's like a 1.5.
I got like a 4-pound.
He got another one exactly like this, and then like a 4-pounder.
How big? How you really?
It was like that long.
Yeah, it was like
girth.
this
We
and
had it on
chunky.
video.
And it had a giant mouth.
George, we're going behind you, so as long as it's
Are you going to the
I
house?
caught 2 trout.
no.
I got a trout as well.
Okay. Where are y'all going?
Our house.
What did they say?
They said actually just JB's house. Okay, you can just like release him.
Another nice bass on this moneymaker crankbait
Crankbait.
that is really working well. Let's go ahead and release that guy.
Dude, you shouldn't catch a fish like in front of this guy's.
No, that's so mean. I can do that.
That's fine.
Yeah, get out of his way.
No, out of his. They're taking a photo of the little kid.
Well, it doesn't matter. We can just still get out of its way.
Where should we go?
Well, let's just make a wide circle and sort of go backtrack.
What should we call this like tiny boat right here?
Devil's Go.
Double?
Devil.
Why? Because there's so many cars?
Sure.
Oh my. So I can see like everything right now because the weed. No. No, my fly's gonna get in the motor. We're good,
George.
we're good.
I almost threw the net back into the water. Just by instinct of like unhooking a fish and throwing it in the water. You're a terrible human being, bro. I almost died.
I even caught myself by surprise.
Maybe we can take another guy.
Yeah. I don't know why that thing's working so well for bass.
Because it's a yellow bird, man.
Well, yeah, this was working a lot, like very well for bass as well. But, like, it wasn't working that well.
Well, this thing's bigger.
Yeah, looking for that fish.
Trout all the way out there.
Yeah, there's a trout right there.
Got it, George.
Oh my. Horrible catch. Oh, I made up for that.
Dimes.
It's probably already gone now.
That bass, though, the one that. No, the second one was like barely. It was barely out of the water, or like below the water. It was really close.
It's starting to be quite the video.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, I was gonna say, that's a bass. Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Bait. Bait.
Bait.
We're not using
Bait 'em up. Bait 'em up, bait 'em up, bait 'em up, bait 'em up.
Or James, if yellow perch are working so good, we should just throw yellow perch in. Yeah.
I feel like that's illegal on the lake.
No, it's not.
Pretty sure it is, but you know.
It's probably. I've used flies in some cases before. And I caught like a
What'd you use?